Currently, mid to large-scale bird chili farmers in Malaysia face reduced yield due to inefficient harvesting and post-sorting. Harvesting, which is done manually, the farmers must repeatedly take the chili that they take from the trees to a small basket and take the small basket to a larger container, which is time-consuming. And moreover, the sorting, which is done after the harvest, requires labor cost and slow the market readiness. And these processes leads the chili being bruises, low quality supply, and post-harvest market losses.
Hello, today I'm going to show you the demonstration of our chili buddy. Here is our prototype. Let us show you how it works. First, the chilies are placed into the V-shaped funnel, which ensures they move smoothly without getting stuck. Next, the sensor detects the chili color. Based on the detection, the servo control divider opens, directing the chili into the correct basket. Finally, once the baskets are full, the farmer will push the chili buddy to the collection area. The farmer can simply pull them out like drawers, making it easy to empty without heavy lifting. The spun padding at the bottom reduces bruising, ensuring the chilies remain fresh and market ready. This way, harvesting, sorting, and storage all happen in one continuous process.